Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your Gusto payroll schedule. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and adjust your Gusto payroll schedule. Maybe you want to change it from the 21st of every month to the 26th of every month. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? In addition, if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet and you're looking to sign up, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get a $100 gift card Visa sent to you. Now, in order to adjust your payroll, let's go ahead and click on Pay on the left-hand side. Next, click on Settings on the upper right-hand corner. And then from here, you want to go and scroll all the way down to where it says Pay Schedule. Click on Manage, and then this is going to allow you to actually go ahead and adjust your payroll schedule. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and adjust your pay schedule on Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.